Hello friends, welcome once again in my channel Super Fun Unlimited. This video is going to be a little long, so let's start about the kingdom of Indian snakes. Hump-nosed pit viper. This is the snake which belongs to viper's family. As its name says, its nose is like a hump and one of the most venomous snake found in India and responsible for snake bites frequently in southern part of India. This highly venomous snake found in dense forest or hilly area and in the coffee plantation in the southern part of India. When this snake is coiled, it seems like an animal's shit. But if you get confused between animal shit and this snake, you will know the meaning of the phrase shit just got real. It grows up to 30 to 45 centimeter in total length. This snake is active during early morning and night and spends day in the night leaf litter and thick bushes. Although it is slow moving but capable of fast striking. Its behavior is common with the rattlesnake. Its venom is fatal if not treated in a few hours. The next one is bamboo pit viper. Bamboo pit viper are found only in southern India and mostly found in bamboo forest, usually near water streams. This green species of a bamboo pit viper is arboreal, nocturnal and very aggressive. It is also a part of viper's family and it is a thin snake with a maximum length of 75 centimeter. Including tail length, the total length is 89.5 centimeter. It has a good camouflage to mix around where they live. It has potent hemotoxin that can kill you if not treated. This is Russell's viper, the most dangerous and venomous snake found in India throughout the Indian subcontinent. It is also a member of Big Four snake, which are responsible for most snake bite incident in India. The species named after Patrick Russell, a Scottish herpetologist who first discovered many of Indian snake. It can grow up to 166 centimeter and average about 120 centimeter. The head is flat and triangular because its shape look like sand boa. People often think it is harmless and get bitten. Its venom is powerful combination of 5 different venom and bites varies different to different people. It can inject 0.75 milligram of venom in one bite. This quantity is more than enough to kill you. After bite, internal bleeding starts and a pain starts leads to death. The next is saw-scaled viper or ichis. Indian saw-scaled viper is the smallest but the highly venomous snake found in arid and dry region. Saw-scaled viper is the member of Big Four snakes and responsible for causing the most snake bites. This snake get his name because of his scale that are just as same as a saw. This snake grows up to 90 centimeter long and the shortest reported 30 centimeter. This species consists combination of 4 types of toxins: neurotoxin, cardiotoxin, hemotoxin and cytotoxin. Its venom may result internal bleeding leads to death. This is Indian krait, India's most venomous snake, mostly found in jungle of Indian subcontinent. These species are nocturnal. This snake is also known as common krait or blue krait. It is the member of Big Four species including most snake bite on a human. The average length of 0.9 meter, but they can grow up to 1.75 meter when it typically holds on for a while, which enable it injecting considerable amount of venom. Karaite is responsible for second most snake bite in India. Karaite come out for its food at night and hide for its prey. Its venom is powerful neurotoxin which leads to death. Before going forward, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Spectacled cobra or Naja Naja. Spectacled cobra is one of the most beautiful snake among other snakes found in India. Spectacled cobra is responsible for most snake bites on human in India and revered in Indian mythology and culture. It belonged to Lord Shiva as a necklace. It is now protected in India under the Act 1972. The venom is primarily neurotoxin and bite is painless, but sometimes damage of a body tissues and paralysis of heart and lung relatively painless. The next one is king cobra, a highly venomous and a beautiful snake distributed across the Indian subcontinent. The stunning king is snake eater. Their diet consists of other snakes, primarily rat snake. It is in vulnerable IUCN Red List. It is world's longest venomous snake, length up to 3.18 to 4 meters. Longest known individual measured 5.85 meter long. It is typically avoid confrontation with a human but dangerous when agitated and provoked. It's said that a king cobra can bite you on your forehead standing straight to you and look into your eyes. It can inject nearly 5 teaspoons of venom inside you in one bite. It can kill 20 human or an elephant. King is king because it is immune for other venoms because of separate protein molecule present in its venom which inactive other venom. The newborn king cobra is cute but poisonous enough to kill a person just after hatching. Now next is banded sea karaite. It is also a family member of karaite. It has strips on its body, so it is called banded sea karaite. It is also known yellow-lipped sea karaite, most toxic and venomous in the world. Its venom is so dangerous that can kill 100 humans in one drop. King cobra's venom is almost a sweet candy if compared with this snake's venom. Found in coral reefs of India, spends most of its time in sea. But this is not a sea snake. It spends most of the time in sea, but it's not a sea snake. It's lay egg on the land. This snake has very powerful neurotoxin that can kill you in few minutes. But these snakes are shy and rare case found of the snake bites. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I will make another video for you. Thank you and take care.